tell me something about how to grab the attention of somebody, just visually, the way that a letter looks.
When I was where you are now, when I was such a student of long form copy and all the stuff that you're referring to, Adam, I uncovered a little quote secret, and I'm going back like 100 years, 1900s, 1920s, 1940s.
Right.
That the use of handwriting, all right, handwriting, which back then was very common, nowadays not so much, but the use of handwriting in very certain ways can be a real attention grabber and a real response booster. So I'm studying this now almost 15 years ago, and I'm like, wow, how do you add handwriting to a letter where you're printing off 100 letters, right? So I started reverse engineering this, and I came up with my own little graphic enhancement, these little doodles for my copy, so hence CopyDoodles, that I started using for my own client work. So at this time, I had left corporate America, started my own company. And I was in a mastermind meeting back in 2006, 2007 it was. And I showed somebody a sales letter that I had written, but I put these little doodles on, and they were more intrigued by these doodles. Long story short, Adam, that was 2007-ish. So 13 years later, CopyDoodles was the product I created. He encouraged me to bring them to the world.